Howdy y'all, quick video here. Just a reminder that when you're doing a service, do the whole thing. You know, every time you do something that's, you know, kind of a low-hanging fruit that other places, you know, put their whole business model around, all these small little things that are usually high profit, they, you know, tend to get soaked up. But every once in a while we get one in our shop. This one is because, well, you know, he knows us and we were in here doing something anyway. We haven't even talked to him yet because he's gonna say, yeah, of course, go ahead and do it. Had this thing in here. It's a little Equinox and came in for a wheel bearing, which we took care of. But when we got back in it to start it up, it wouldn't start. It barely started outside. Of course, it only ran a couple minutes. When it got in here, it wouldn't start. Well, I thought we had put a battery in it at some point. Maybe, possibly, I don't know. And I took the cover off the battery, and that battery is 8 years old. Probably I put a battery in. I opened it all up and I grabbed the negative cable and it wouldn't move. Look at that. Just corroded up and it was stuck in there. Now I've already pulled the bolts out and hit them with a cheek poker down there and got them all shined up. I'll show you a little trick. People don't know how to clean these side posts. You go ahead and pull the bolts out of these rubber deals. They just pop out. They're held in by this rubber piece right here. But you pull these bolts out and it comes right off. And now you can get all the way around this to clean the corrosion. See, look at that. No messing around in there. No special tools. You pop the bolt out and you just yank that out of there. Now I'm gonna go get a little chucked in death wheel and or the cheek poker and clean that up, you know, and make it shiny. And then put the little rubber deals back on, put the deals in it, and put a new battery in there. Just, you know, letting you know, doing the whole thing can be easy if you just you forget about trying to make it easy. You know, the easy way is not to do less work. Sometimes the easy way is to do more work, because then you don't have to stop and do a little bit of work and then stop and do a little bit of work. You end up, you know, doing the George Costanza move where you're constantly working on not working. Just do the whole thing. Get it done and be good. Like, comment, subscribe, hit your little bell notification, share it all around. We'll talk to you later.